What's up? Wayne Barron here with DocFX.net, and as you can see, we are looking at an error. I'm in the process of doing some lessons on .net using Visual Studio, and this is one of the errors that I just received. And this error is coming off from my other computer that is trying to access the SQL Server that's sitting on my laptop. And so this error is rather common and really easy to fix. And so how you fix this error is that we got to go into our start menu, type in Firewall, and choose Windows Firewall with Advanced Securities. What we got to do is that we got to create inbound rules to allow our SQL Server to be accessed from other systems. And so I don't mean access as in browsing to a website. What I mean is being able to create a connection on another computer that accesses this system, sort of like the way you would access your hosting provider's SQL Server. You would create your link to it on the outside to test and make sure everything's going right. Well, that's basically the same concept here. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to create a new rule program, click on next. We're going to browse, and you're going to browse into your program files, Microsoft SQL Server, msql.1 msql bin. So that is your address. I've got mine sitting inside of my G drive. It is not sitting inside of C, it's inside of G drive. So anyway, and you want to grab a hold of the SQL server.exe file. Double click it, click on next. Allow the connection, click on next. I strongly suggest that you uncheck this unless you want to allow people to access it from anywhere. So I'm going to uncheck it and only allow domain and private. Click on next, give it a name, and then click on finish. Okay, we got to create one more rule. Come over here and choose new rule. Choose port this time, click on next, UDP port, type in 1434. Click on next, allow the connection, click on next, domain private, uncheck public unless you want public to be allowed. Click on next. This is SQL Server Browser. Click on finish, and now you should be able to run your websites or run your SQL connection on the outside without having any issues. Alright, Wayne Barron here with DocFX.net. Y'all have a rocking weekend. Bye bye.